Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Demo time? Are you cool enough? Can I come in?
Yeah, you come in. I'm kind of frustrating out right now because I can't give myself a good hair trim when it's all comes out.
Oh yeah, your hair mess up. Yeah, my wife, she always has to comb my hair like 3 times all day. It's crazy.
I got a demo from Jess over here.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Yeah. It's really loud outside, way easier now. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Okay, my name is Maggie James. I have 2 Crossfire Xv3 on a Crossfire Xv3 at 0.7. There's 80 amp excess power LTO cells on a brand X250. And then in my doors, I still have my C7 SD 6.5 on the C5 4.4.
Nice.
The plan is redo the doors because I can't really stand up against these.
Yes, ma'am. Awesome. I think I got a demo last year of it when you had was it a smaller amp and different subs? Is the box the same? Have you done anything to it?
The box is the same, so
okay.
I am going to be building a new box for these ones. It's just going to be a tiny bit bigger.
Yeah.
So when you heard it last, there were 2 Crossfire C7 shelves on a C7 4K.
Got it. Wow. Can I sit in the back?
Yeah.
Thank you. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. So a quick little commentary before we get to the bass demo. So this is her previous video thumbnail I made of her video about a year ago. Check out the link in the description if you want to see how far she's come. And also be sure to give Maggie a thumbs up. She's about to give us a great 2-song bass demo and get some nice outside flex, and she's going to do a solid hair trick for us. So 2 quick things before we get started. First one is the Aeroport. So this is an 8-inch Aeroport. Don't think she actually mentioned the size, but I figured I'd mention that on camera while y'all are watching. 8-inch Aeroport. The way she has her box location is optimal for output. Some people might say, well, if you wall it or move the box back or forward, it might be a little louder. I don't know. I'm sure that's something that anybody who has a trunk system could trial and error and see, because every vehicle is different. And the second thing is the way she has her amp stage set up. So she has her amp rack right next to her seat, so she's able to fold her seat up if she has people in the back seat. So it's not a complete trunk wall, and it's considered a trunk class without being a trunk wall. So anyway, really powerful amplifier. We're about to see how loud this thing is. Once again, thank y'all for watching. Subscribe for daily cardio videos, and let's get to this demo. Okay. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Eurobass. Okay. Nice. All right. Wow. You've done a lot of work on the roof to try to stop the flex, I could tell. Yeah.
I actually don't have any.
You haven't dynamitted anything up here at all?
I only took this out. There is no deadener.
Really?
Because the rails to this actually go almost all the way back here.
Oh, man.
And there's a bunch of like wires and stuff. So
okay.
I couldn't like really move.
So you can only prevent flex so much, yeah. Awesome. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the demo, Maggie, right?
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you, Maggie. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.